The shop helps us very well. If I supposed to spend 1 day or 2 days to go to Port-au-Prince to do a job, but if I come here in a 30 minutes, in a 1 hour, and I can see behind me a lot of job done.
The wood shop will become like a triple benefit. First, it helps furniture makers assemble the parts instead of spending 1 month. In a week, they get that done. The second one is train young men how to manage electrical tools because Haiti has a shortage of skilled labor. And the third one is the wood chip we need to apply into our field to increase the fiber in the soil. Instead of taking 2 months to build a door, and then they build it in 1 day, so the next day they can do something else. Clear example, there is a man who built 8 doors in less than 1 month.
A relief, for us about what we do. Because working with hand is so hard, but with electric power tools, they are very helpful and we are so grateful for. As me, like a father of children, I get much time to relax myself with my children because I have enough time. This is the shop for the community, and this is a gift from God, we can say.
The dream for the future for us is make the wood shop bigger and more furniture maker can come and get their product get done faster. They will generate more money for the community.